Now this is the first time we've had one at Acklam Car Centre. This is the amazing Toyota CHR, the 1.8 engine hybrid. It's absolutely amazing. It actually looks very sporty from every single angle. It's a nice small sport SUV, front wheel drive, but you've got 120 brake horsepower and you get a combined miles per gallon of around 50 miles per gallon. This is a brilliant car for every single reason because it's futuristic, it's very modern, and Toyota do a cracking job. We all know that because they're super reliable. But this one it's very refined. It's got some premium touches to it. But let's start off with the way it looks, because this one isn't just the ordinary CHR. It's the XL version, which is top of the range really. There's only one more above this and you don't get much more for that one. But the XL really gives you all the sort of features that you need. It's also the facelift model because they changed the model ever so slightly, so the headlights slightly, the bumper front piece and the back lights, which I'll show you in a few more seconds. But it has a great vibe, it's super reliable. Now with Toyota, remember, you get a maximum and up to 10-year manufacturer's warranty. 3 years are standard, but as long as you service a car with Toyota, as and when scheduled, they extend the warranty each year, so it is really sensible. It isn't a plug-in hybrid, it's self-charge hybrid, and that's what makes it really special because it gives you a great miles per gallon. You don't need to do anything, it just saves the energy as and when you hit the brakes and stores it back into the battery. It is perfect. Going from the front, you've got the whole new design of the LED style daytime running lights and the LED headlights. This one has the front and rear parking sensors, and it's also got adaptive cruise control. Big bumpers, sharp angles, and then I love the hard shoulders front and rear, and again more angled look as you go down the side. But if I can take your attention to the wheels, they're the new facelifted version, upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels. Again, a beautiful finish in that lovely gunmetal grey. You've then got this arch kit. The fenders are finished in plastic matte, but again gives it the off-road look. You've then got the sun protection glass. But look at this interior. So the XL, unlike the Active, this has the full leather interior. And I have to tell you, it is such a comfortable seat. It's brilliant. And what I do like about this, everything does feel premium. Everything that you touch, like the leather here. If you look at the door cards, there's a lot of features on this car that I've noticed. That's all diamond sort of design. But the whole diamond theme continues up here. Also on the roofline. Can you see that there, little diamonds? But it's on the airbag signals. It's everywhere. But then you get site navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control. But this is nice and easy to use now, which is brilliant because Toyotas don't really put Apple CarPlays and Android Autos into cars, but this one's got it all. Voice control, multifunctional steering wheel with lane assist. You've got hazard warning where it self-brakes, even for when you're reversing as well. Automatic gearbox, because that's all you can get. Auto hold, the EV mode, and you have that nice big cup holder down there, and another cup holder just here. 2 keys, fully fitted mat, and there goes all that diamond sort of sketching again with the Toyota CHR entry kick plate. And what's also amazing is because from the outside the car does look pretty small, it actually isn't. There's lots of legroom and headroom for all your passengers. Now one thing you will notice is it has got that lovely coupe sloping back here, which I think it looks fantastic. Looks very sporty, and then they've moved the door handle from a conventional area up over here, and it goes in line with that coupe lines. Very easy to use and open, but as you get in, I'm going to show you quickly. Yes, I know I look like I'm 6'2", but I'm not. So for me, I have tons of leg room. I've got lots of headroom as well. I must admit, if I was 6 foot, I might just sort of touch the roof line here, but again, you can get around no problem. Love this one-piece headrest here, all leather again, and you can comfortably sit all your passengers in here. I don't think it'll be fit for all 5 adults, but certainly 4 adults and a child in the middle, no problem. 3-point seat belts, ISOFIX attachments, it's got everything. Again, more diamond here. But you have to agree, it does look really, really special. It's something about that you think, you know what, wow, that is a good looking car. Now the reason I've left the indicator one, because on the facelift model, you get that lovely dynamic sweeping indicator there, the more individual LED rear lights, and the light cluster is built into that rear boot lid spoiler. You then get a second spoiler that comes off the back of the car at the top here, with a high level brake light, and then you have the blue sections because it is a hybrid, and you have the hybrid badging. Reversing camera, and you have a very nice boot. The seats do go down 60-40, and that means 60% of the seat can go down, or 40%, or you can put all of it down. But it is quite a deep boot. This comes out completely, and underneath you've also got your foam kit just there. I think the car's absolutely wonderful, and it's also the in-between car. If you don't want to go full electric, then this hybrid car does that. It's front-wheel drive, it's very safe, very reliable. It's a good compact SUV styling, and it does a good job. You can get in this car, drive it every day, know for the fact it won't let you down, has all the gadget and gizmos you could possibly need. Electric windows, mirrors, electric folding mirrors, your electric seats are just there with the lumbar support adjustment. And then you have other features. So on the XL, which the active, like the basic spec doesn't give you, things like heated steering wheel, park assist, so the car parks itself, literally. And then you've got the adaptive cruise control, and there's sort of lane assist and cruise control over here. Stereo controls and Bluetooth controls, but again, there's that diamond shape I was talking about, and that's everywhere when you look around. You've then got the digital section bang in the middle there. It's only a small screen, but enough to see the details. Again, more blue detailing, and every time it's charging through braking, it'll show you on there what it's doing, if you're in eco mode, and if you're using some of the power through the hybrid system. It is push button start, but when it starts up, it's nice and quiet, as you can see, and here. Centre armrest does lift up with more cubby hole space, and with regards reverse, the camera system is in high definition. I like the full floor, everything's continuous and it's just nice, right size. It's available on PCP or HP. We will take a car in part exchange, no problem. I think this is a wonderful car if you're in the market for the hybrid motor and you don't want something too big. It's just right. It ticks every single box in a beautiful metallic silver, and with all that black styling and them wheels on, the leather, it really is a special car. 7,000 miles, that's all this car has. Been very well looked after. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.